For more than 3,000 years, an entire Egyptian city disappeared beneath the desert. Not a temple, not a tomb, an entire city. Historians believed it was lost forever, swallowed by endless sand and erased from history itself. But in 2020, archaeologists uncovered something so extraordinary that many called it the most important discovery in Egypt since the tomb of Tutankhamun. A city so perfectly preserved, it looked as if time had simply stopped. This is the story of the lost Golden City. The story begins near the ancient city of Luxor. A team of archaeologists was searching for the funerary temple of Pharaoh Tutankhamun. They expected to uncover another royal monument. Instead, their excavation revealed something no one had anticipated. As workers cleared away layers of sand, massive mud brick walls slowly emerged from beneath the desert. Then came narrow streets, then rooms, then entire houses. Within days, the team realized they weren't excavating a temple at all. They had discovered an entire city, hidden beneath the sand for more than 3,000 years. A city frozen in time. The city was built during the reign of Pharaoh Amenhotep III, one of Egypt's most powerful rulers. Around 3,400 years ago, this was one of the richest and busiest cities in the entire kingdom. Royal officials lived here. Craftsmen worked here. Families raised children here. Life once filled every street. Inside the ruins, archaeologists found bakeries with ovens still standing, storage rooms packed with pottery, jewelry, tools, scarabs, mud brick homes. Even food preparation areas remained almost untouched. Many everyday objects were still lying exactly where their owners had left them thousands of years earlier. It was almost as if the people had suddenly vanished overnight. Because of its incredible state of preservation, many experts began calling it Egypt's Pompeii. The discovery offered an extraordinarily rare glimpse into ordinary life in ancient Egypt. Not just how kings lived, but how workers, families, and craftsmen spent their everyday lives. Something historians had rarely seen before. Because of its incredible state of preservation, many experts began calling it Egypt's Pompeii. The discovery offered an extraordinarily rare glimpse into ordinary life in ancient Egypt. Not just how kings lived, but how workers, families, and craftsmen spent their everyday lives. Something historians had rarely seen before. But one mystery still remains. Why was such a prosperous city abandoned? Many historians believe the answer may lie with one of Egypt's most mysterious rulers. Akhenaten, the pharaoh who abandoned the old religious traditions, moved the royal capital, and built an entirely new city dedicated to the sun god Aten. As political power shifted, the once thriving Golden City slowly faded into history. Today, only a small portion of the lost Golden City has been uncovered. Archaeologists believe countless streets, homes, workshops, and untold secrets still remain buried beneath Egypt's endless desert, waiting to be discovered. If one entire city could stay hidden for more than 3,000 years, what else is still waiting beneath the sands of Egypt?